Good morning, students. Already we have started the chapter circle, chapter number 10. So now let us revise all the topic that we have studied in last lecture. First definition is the collection of the collection of all the points from the fixed point form a circle. Second definition, that fixed point is called center of the circle. Third definition, the distance between center and any point on the circle is called radius. This is the third definition. Radius is called length as well as line segment. Fourth definition, line segment joining any 2 points of the circle is called chord, and longest chord of the circle is diameter. So fourth definition is chord. The line segment joining any 2 points of the circle is called chord, and the chord passing through the center is called diameter. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Okay. Next definition we have studied that we can draw many diameters in the circle and all diameters are same. Then we have studied about the arc. Piece of the circle joining any 2 points of the circle. Piece of the circle joining any 2 points on the circle is called arc. This is called arc. Now there are three types of arc. A smaller piece of circle is called minor arc. A major piece of the circle is called major arc. If I want to denote minor arc, it can be represented by simply minor arc AB. But if I want to represent major arc, I must have to take 1 point on the major arc. So here major arc will be denoted by ARB. So ARB is called major arc. Then we have studied one more definition. It was, this is the diameter. The arc formed from two end point of the diameter is called semicircle arc. Okay. See, the length of the complete circle is called its circumference. The region between a chord and either of its arc is called segment. Underline the definition. Region between chord and either of the arc is called segment. Region or simply a segment of the circle. You will find that there are two types of segment also, which are the major segment and the minor segment. The region between an arc and the two radii joining the center of the end point of the arc is called sector. Like segment, this is another definition that you have to copy in your book. The region between an arc and the two radii joining the center of the circle, a center to the end points on the arc is called sector. Like segment, you find that minor arc correspond to the minor sector and the major arc correspond to major sector. In figure 10.9, in region OPQ is the minor sector and the remaining part of the circular region is called major sector. When two arcs are equal, that is each of semicircle, then both segment and both sectors become the same and each is known as the semicircular region. Let us understand about the sector. See, this cone shape is called sector. So let us define sector. These are the radii. Simple. A region, a region forming region formed by minor sector and two radii join center of the circle and end point of the arc is called minor sector. मतलब माइनर सेक्टर उसको कहते हैं जो सेमी सर्कल आर्क माइनर आर्क और दो रेडियस से बनता है. ठीक है. अगर एग्जैक्ट डेफिनेशन अगर हम देखें, the region covered by minor arc and two radii join at the center and two end point of the arc is called minor sector. So these all is minor sector and rest of so this is minor arc and this whole region together form a major arc. Clear? Minor arc, major arc. Now the region which is formed by two end point of the diameter is called semicircular region. Here is the definition. Or this definition we can define in this way. If two form arc are same, यानी अगर हम दो आर्क बनाते हैं वो दोनों के दोनों अगर सेम है, कैसे सेम, एंड देयर एंड पॉइंट्स आर द एंड पॉइंट्स ऑफ द डायमीटर. देखो ए और बी डायमीटर के भी एंड है और ये आर्क के भी एंड है. Then it is called semicircular region. This is called semicircular region. This is also called semicircular region. Okay. Simple definition is there which we have over here. When two arcs are equal, that is each of the semicircle, then both segment and both sector becomes the same and each is known as semicircular region. Check it out. Here it is minor sector and this all is called major sector. Okay. Go through this figure. Clear? So let's end this lecture over here. Bye. Have a safe day.